Reading is a flexible skill, and effective readers know how to adjust their speed. Adjusting speed is based on the material you are tackling and the purpose of your study. In this unit, we will explore two primary levels of silent reading. The first is the fastest speed, which involves skimming and scanning. This helps to locate specific information or gain a general impression. The second level is our average reading speed. It is designed for reading novels, articles, and general textbooks for pleasure and comprehension. Please note that the slowest reading speed for intensive study will be covered in a future module. Skimming and scanning are categorized as our fastest reading techniques. While skimming provides a general overview, scanning helps you find specific details. According to expert Edward Fry, a skilled reader can achieve 50% comprehension while skimming or scanning at speeds exceeding 800 words per minute. Even at these high speeds, a skilled reader can achieve 50% comprehension. To succeed at this level, your eyes must move rapidly across the page. Practice locating headings, subheadings, and key names without reading every single word. Efficiency is the priority here, so remain focused and avoid the urge to backtrack. Moving to average reading speed, this is appropriate for straightforward material. Typically, an average reading speed falls between 250 and 500 words per minute. At this speed, you should aim for at least 70% comprehension. It is important to remember that reading without comprehension is not reading at all. If understanding falls below 50%, you are merely moving your eyes over words rather than engaging with the text. To improve your average reading speed, avoid the habit of rereading paragraphs. If you feel the need to return to previous sections, it indicates a lack of focus. Try timing yourself at a consistent pace, such as 300 words per minute. Always check your understanding immediately after you finish reading. Ultimately, the goal of all reading is to derive meaning. The hallmark of a good reader is flexibility, continuously assessing your speed. To help you practice, keep your tools like a pen and dictionary ready. Train your eyes to focus on signposts like headings and summary sentences rather than filler words. With consistent practice, you will become a more adaptable and efficient reader.